지르야마인 지르야 차와라 마가로바 자르wen곤제라 고로데예메 돈바이진제로 제와이군도 양달라마당 다메 최제 발라론제진 사단란제 연대란조이네 도로제 차 고반윤도 어요 도이제 장기 고반유 노요 자자와 단시间下吧其实也让贵县所把应该外中人大其实把当前大概讲全部我啥也不准就见面的别让领些你的肩膀的上街行动没得不吧这个那么大行动这把有三节南节三八当落叶节记得我其中多梦对吧去见过伦过人都说
少些是谁说？少些让人家的人，那反正人家有人家老多个，怎么个？知道的，那么我家他们是人家讲，搞到最多今天那这些龙的这帮好说的，这些因为这个这还有一个那个中国那边，主要国家这个上班他们都那个学的多。강한 대자로 좀 이면 맞죠 맞다 뭐 하면 타제되면 저번에 시대 맞아서 게만 담바되라 저zel로 Number 4랑 세계 만서 내게 성로리아 네 삼주슈야인 엔드린데 어제디 지게게 최시하러 붙여게 니만 제마도 임bre 그 미리아 가상데 주화로 가셔도 제자 주화도 주화치는 차도 얘는 차는 디젤이야 이게 다 최시 차디 주동 주인
First of all, I would like to offer my greetings to all of the Rinpoches as well as the members of the Sangha and the lay community. Today is the last day of this teaching for our foreign students. And so, first of all, in this teaching, I would like to have the questions and answers. So we will have questions and answers first, and then following that, I will teach more about the Dharma and conclude the teachings. The first question is, if we have been educated in the West, we have a spirit of competition as it is considered a virtue there. When we deeply wish to practice Dharma properly, we have to work on this competitiveness and also on our jealousy. Could Your Holiness please tell us how to recognize these negative aspects in our mind, how to deal with them, and how to work with others' projections of jealousy onto us? And is this competitiveness and jealousy connected with both low self-esteem and pride?
Kasi nganzu nubchoki labjong shewa ina, tene chikla ndendur chaya tang, chaya di kechimshi tsigiros yabachi, di laga yabachi shagdo. Ina yang nganzu chu yang tabachi, nyamsi lembek tabshi chena, chu yagi nangla ya, tene ndensem tang, tene shengi chakto, tenzo ma shiyagi tabshi, pangyagi tabshi chebe songdos. Di songzang tene digi college do kalab containers the ndensem tang chakto de kandas chine lalen tar gore kandas nyamnen jar ko do tine mixe gi shengi ngarang chu chakto yena dekap su kar che gore tine ndensem tang dentur che de tang chakto gi samlo ni de rangi kanshor di membe ngaje ini passion sejo passion
nambe shunglu nane lelo namba sum des nane ane toni nyebe lelo sa ji orba su nye ju she ta su kan chung ma ne kan che tu ma ne so ro tinde gi kuno chia de norres ate ji lelo nan ji lelo tu shwe ro ji tinde ji mu je chi mu do tinde ju ji po ba ko res 보바다 제네 다양 참선지 보바다가 예드죠 이제 누르디 노년도와 보바 근데 치게드죠 안 충두네 로전 제드네 지 가셔에 아이덴티티스 하다디 소수기 individual the better individual somewhere that so geg ngasa da kechim bimit gerger ka rawasa na da thodan de kechim bru ji mi industane di ge zama mo she industane da cho ji ne ene go gezen rab ji do azu beba zo bena ji ge bu chung chung ji mi de ene bena mi chen bo bena das gero de sinzin ro de so le 보고 덤벼도 안에 직계지 투야 보고 해야 돼요. 근데 와 아주 배배난 이제 아마 라마 심보지 패서나 아니 보장으로 가서 동부 휴휴리 차지 미살 다대 마도베 간 가서 주얼 지내 자들 가서 법에 등요 말에 다대지 초진의 누르럽지도 롭존 대단 충두네 다 미천벌이 아주지 가수에 그렇게도 야게 계시ebe 있는다 디지 구셔면 그러지다 야면지 계수에 제버로 디지 지려 봐 다들 디잖아 누르지 진짜 다 간다량 법에 양도 인비는 참선한지 누적이 미카시한지 법아체자지 법아대 나게 유로를 체제 근데 시행을 배지 계수샤서 근데 용해를 수도 근데 인도산 지당 그 법에 요구하듯 그 시작에 좀 버리셔 지 소수기 가서 신기 예배 때 지지 시에버들이야 소수기 딩당 닝도브러지 요구하듯 개좀 시작하셔 다임비네디 지 신 계수기 줄래야 마로지다 안다나지 랑래 연대 사왕 연대 채와 여버되기들이야 아니지 가서 미가벨로 미겨와 다든지 와다 계심시라래샤 다 간다지 최냠내 제베 걸리네야 조금 진도를 지해 마시 오늘 다지 저 유기라마 고마도 다 드는데 젠도스지 남다르 라마베나 마르벤데 나요 밀렌데 제어 스두사 어다지 ngaay dinere chik chona so sarji den dindu das den rem dindu chambor to wa ande ko dabor ji chona sam dinde ji bo me ba quran ran ben lame khombang quran du sha yin so ba quran ran che sha yin so ba den du san ji je bo thobor ji da yimi ne di da de yang a ju ji de ba mo gu dan de be thone ja ma da be da di ji 아주 지당기 차도당 얘는 진짜现在 캐도서요. 야나지 생기 유엔된래야. 다지 마가와. 다든这个 로다지 많이 봐. 생기 유엔된래 그별 로다. 아니 저现在呀 생기 유엔된래 이 촌. 알아야 되다고 촌어서 버려. 근데 지기다 셈 시와지다 셈 가수에 잠바로 디주제도가 디주산 지당 고야래 샤스 다 임비네 디양 빈주 나게 당 뽑아되기 다야 다나진 진도로 다 착도 왔어야 되기 빈주 만으로 체 네 리버시아 체 남네 작와데 개체 민서서
Generally, in the Buddhist teachings, we talk about 3 different types of laziness. And one of those types of laziness is the laziness of being self-deprecating, the laziness of criticizing yourself. And so this is thinking, oh, I'm terrible, I'm not a good person, this is, and I'm a bad person. This is actually a form of laziness, and it's a mistake. Actually, it's like the worst of the types of laziness. So it's important for us to have confidence. But when we have confidence, there's a danger that we might mistake confidence for pride or pride for confidence. And so when we think about it in terms of in foreign countries, in the West, there's often this strong sense of individuality, a sense of the personal identity, an idea that we ourselves are important. I'm independent, I'm an individual. And when we think about it, then actually from one side, this is actually a good thing. And the reason it's a good thing is that even when you have small children from Western countries, when they meet great beings and great individuals, they have a lot of confidence and they have no problem with like asking them questions or having conversations with even great people. On the other hand, when we have children, Tibetan children, for example, all they can do is look down at the ground and they can't ask any questions at all. They don't have the confidence to ask any questions at all. So maybe that's a mistake. It's a question of having no confidence. They are unable, when they meet great people, to even look at them, let alone... and it's considered, if you do ask questions of great people, it's thought to be disrespectful and not a good thing to do. And so, actually, maybe that is a mistake. Some confidence is good. On the other hand, maybe sometimes in the West, people get too confident. And when you get too confident, then you get proud. And when you're proud, then you ignore others, you disregard others. So generally, having confidence is good. And when you have confidence, it's like all the things you know and your intelligence, this is a source of confidence, it's a source of courage that you can have. But at the same time, it's important not to disregard others, not to disrespect others. And it's important to remember that there are people who have greater qualities than you, who are greater than them, and not to be jealous of them in any way. Maybe actually when we think about it, a little bit of competitiveness is actually necessary. Like there's stories of great lamas from the past, great Sakya lamas who thought about things that Marpa, the translator, or Milarepa did, and they said, oh, Marpa and Milarepa did that, I'm going to do that too. I'm going to be able to accomplish just as they did. And so this is actually a form of confidence. It's a form of competitiveness. I'm going to do that. They attained all these qualities, and I'm going to attain all these qualities as well. I can be a high lama also myself. But this is confidence that is connected with faith and devotion. So generally, we need to be sure that that we don't mix our confidence with jealousy and pride. That we do not disregard others, or that we do not get upset about the qualities, or feel bad or feel jealous of the qualities that other people's have. So we need confidence where we're also willing to praise others for their qualities, to take delight in the qualities of other people. So this is the confidence of saying, I'm going to be like that too. And when we have that sort of a confidence, then our minds can be peaceful, our minds can be gentle. That's the sort of confidence that we need. And so it's important that we distinguish between the pride and the confidence, that we distinguish between competitiveness and jealousy, and that we do not mistake these. The next question is that in many Dharma centers, sometimes it seems like abroad, it seems like Western Buddhists behave worse than non-Buddhists in terms of being kind or being supportive. And how can we deal with this? How can we have more peace and harmony in Western Dharma centers?
Nupchoki nambe nyamlen chingin ki mi nangto tene gashi nangba mayin pale tene doksam ki joba jolam tene chingin yongdos pena chamze me batang tene shena rogjur manchinkin tene yongdos tenjole ya tene kandes chine 대값도 가르쳐 버렸어. 그런데 쉬어 찍다. 근데 높초를 연기인게 최고 쪽받은 조 근데 참보당 시와당 대용하게 답시 가려졌어.
다디 좋아 첨부를 제도 아니 아디 좋아되는 게 렌즈 잡고 연단 게 추서 상말로 따다 소식으로 다디 렌즈 게 잡고 말해 갈아 하고 인기에서 지체는 아주 담 라마 고모츠 티 나로래야 최기 대사지 찬도 알았어 최기 대스 산다 pena di 过的去南巴下什么，是吧？过去南巴这个过下什么过，但这新闻里有些，但过下过用贴一样的。但这个的看到看里面呢，个对呢就没上不起来，就开始也不起来，上不起来，上不起来，这些都是加深不强啊。I hate be a good person， 是吧？他个对呢写的我不他，本来就怕嘛的这个不的这里啊，你也不起来，今天就是那都是，但这个加深不强，他不 bad person 都接下了。마도 내 격사 말해서 그렇지. 이거 봐. 이 소리잖아. 그 뒤에 있잖아. 라렌라는 마다르체. 디 소수기 not from your depth of your heart. 봐. 지 남바상게 버차당. 엔다나 진지기 미상버 차사디 소수기 인타고네 맞지. 많이 버차. 다 미신다 지다 가사 제라바시기 에는 미상마 자오레 나마상게 자오레 겹선 로고레 담즈 송고레 제 자오레 니 자오레스 망불라 윤두산 계제도 망부 거윤두산다 계제디 지 가쇼에 그러 좋아매 버럽지다 야나지 계제도 거윤두산 짜스 버럽차 드니 용거로 봐 안다나시 나버도 지 라마 가이드 섬으로 배다고 뭐지 최디 망부 지写写不起，写不得，哪来了马达写起？俺那句，前面呢，俺那就看说，写样都不差了，写样是都是那个，确实就写样都不起，给这写样嘛，突然哪来大家没不去，写样都不差多，这忙不差说呢，看你年不许写样给，哪来的呀？俺那大家没给了，这差了人个多，这里提军事点，之前那个说，哪怕上给不了呀，之前呢，到看到了这。장바의 인지라 써봐. 오늘 전에 지 상보지 차기 다 가수다 플러스 이 신유 롭종 롭소 education 차상 유예부터 돼데 이내한테 라렌은 아주 다들이야 디스 가수에 아주 라렌다의 용차바 인주스 디 초제 견주죠. 초진의 직전에 아니 다 군제망고 이로 초진의 직전에 organizations 말고 다지 간다 들려야 진 진경 오늘 차와라렌다의 거리야 다다다다 게 진경 그렇지 아버 예비 이미나 에너지 그게 가서다 소소의 랑가데 중고리양 고고 팅예를 붙이던 진교야 붙여비나 아니 직전에 아니 가서지 랑가로 세버스 통제 아니 소소 가르치고 예비디 하고 투야로 집어지 연구를 했습니다. 나 진짜 매미 인주산다 그 참사지게 다디 퍼지디 나자데 당보다 누저를 예내면 지장 아주 배배 나사된 거예요. 배바도 배바 많이 야자 망고지 최 신기하만 최 은혜에 근데 신기하만 다 이면은 지 가서에 다 야보체 상보체 사르다 들지 계셔도 다디 은혜 라렌을 따르고 여러 최사디 배나 집에 버르듯이 심바 로자스 해야 되나 평가 말아봐 집에 당고 오르봐 안다 이면은 아주 집에 버르듯이 심바 셰 이네 짐바 당할라 때 바지 가서에 누르 차디요 다나 쇠배 버르듯이 뭐 셰 다데 우마데 망고 우마 라마치 알았어 고 라마신다 제도사나 쿠란 라마치 옆에 아니 고 라마디 라마신다지 도와치 그랬어 근데 라마신다데 콜라 기제티브레스 라마 빅 Lama el gezeti브레스 그런 디상 가르쳐줘서 아대상 그게 가서 고베나 준주티 준주야보 티윈스 아니디 컴주 And then young get she to san and come to Chichon Lamate. Come to. And the name is and Mijig in your ship, they'll come to Gavi, come to Gam, come to the Yavachasos. That the Lamas in that day, but you cannot Juju to do san a Sebelio is a Pajeti, Gimares. Also, a Belio pay about tea in circles. That is sort of chamber that Kandar. Ni de gara sana chue de la len da ya de ma do kha ne xie ya de da ji ka shui tan bei chue sa de ji sim gyu de wa de ni chue ge tan bei chue mi yu de ma do da kha ne jiang gan xie ne so su sim gyu de ma do yi mi na da de chue de wo ne ji ka shui da ci zang bu chue ming zang bu chue er bu chan du le di 담배추 양다보다 원래전에 담배추 처가만 드린도 아주 내버도 가지 강토도 최 측지마도 마더빈데 랑랜을 따토야 랑랜 따야 돼 조조다 심균뒤에 체도 랑랜 따고 니버딩 아주 지 최쇼고 변하다 센트럴다 되게들이야 아주 지 라메게 마 가수에 가상보낭 안다는 원래야지 진정세계의 수입이네 다다다다 지 가수에 튼토라 라레 튼토라 켜어지 근데 제비나 지전다 녀도 용 좀을 마시 다데 리즈 망고 얘기는 게 망고 시에 신매 too much.
Well, it's good to be a good person, but maybe it gets hard. It's important to be a good person, but if maybe in foreign Dharma centers, maybe I just haven't gone there yet, and I have to go there, and I have to go and fix things up there.
No problem.
So I haven't been there, so I can't really say everything that's happened in all of the Dharma centers exactly. Now,
this is a big question. You just said this is a big question. If I can answer this question, then
so it is a very big question that we need to think about. Now, generally, when we try to be a good person, and we hear this, we go to Dharma centers and we hear people telling us, "Oh, it's good to be a good person. You need to do this. You need to do that." And sometimes it just gets really irritating to hear this over and over again. It says, "Oh, you have to do this. You have to do that." It's not. And so it's hard to say, sometimes it gets so irritating, you just feel like, oh, I don't want to do any of that. I'm going to be a bad person, maybe. Maybe I get so irritated with it. So, it's a question of not putting the Dharma into practice. And so generally, when we talk about practicing Buddhism, we talk about being a good person, but we do it. But when we talk about this, sometimes we don't really do it from the bottoms of our heart. We don't really think, "Oh, I need to do this," and instead we just hear people saying, "You need to do this. You need to practice mindfulness. You need to practice refuge. You need to hold all these samaya commitments. You need to do this, and you need to do that." And you hear a lot of people saying many different things. And then you sort of feel like you just don't feel like you want to do it. It gets too annoying and it gets too irritating to hear all of these things. And so when we teach the Dharma well, but maybe it's a question of we're just not putting it into practice all that well. And so, we say nice things from our heart, from our mouth, but from our heart we aren't really putting them into practice. And so in terms of the Buddha, in Buddhism we always talk about you have to develop loving kindness and compassion. We talk about how to be a good person. We have all the methods to teach us how to be a good person, but just speaking about it isn't enough. We have to also put it into practice. And so, if we think about this, maybe there are many different reasons why this happens. Maybe in Dharma centers, we don't have the organization and the administration is maybe not good enough. And if the organization and the administration is good, then people will be able to see what the path is that they need to follow, how they need to progress. They'll see that clearly, and they'll know what to do. But otherwise, it's difficult. Maybe it's a question of, we have a Tibetan sickness that maybe has infected Western Dharma centers. In Tibet, we sometimes, we don't really put the Dharma into practice. We say, we have to practice Dharma. We have to be we have to practice the Dharma. But when it comes to actually practicing it, maybe we don't do that so much. For example, you can talk about the paramita of generosity for 100 years, but eventually talking about it is not enough. You actually have to be generous. And so just speaking about it is not being so generous. Similarly, when we talk about the transcendent patience, we can talk about it all we want, but we don't always practice it. Like there's a story of this Lama once. This Lama went to go see another Lama. And so this second Lama, Lama B, said to Lama A, what are you doing now? And so Lama A replied, I'm in my monastery, I'm teaching Shantideva's way of the Bodhisattva. And the Lama A said that's very nice, and they kept talking. And it turned out that someone had given Lama A a problem, and he'd brought a court case, a lawsuit against that person. And Lama A had won his lawsuit and said, this is very good. It really turned out quite well. Then Lama B said, then you must not have taught the patience chapter from the way of the Bodhisattva, did you? And Lama A said, no, I taught it very well. So this is a question where he's not really practicing the Dharma. He's they're saying it with the mouths, but not really practicing it. So when Dharma is something that we need to practice in order to tame our mind stream. And if we're only talking about it and using words with it, then it's not going to, and it doesn't tame our mind stream, then it's something that it's just words, it's not being put into practice. And so if we do Dharma like that, that is not true Lama practice. And so really, what we have to do is when we learn the Dharma and study the Dharma, it's something we need to put into practice, and that we need to do so that it will be able to tame our mind streams. Another thing is that when lamas give us the instructions, they give us profound instructions, then we need to maintain those, and we need to practice, and we need to maintain them and practice those instructions and understand them. And if we can do that, then maybe that will help as well.
Basics of Mengxi or introduction. Mengxi ngozhe cheche. De ngozhe bachene. Kanda Quran chuzo de la shune. Zawe mi yu karimati Quran ha ko go yati gejum shtaresha. Azu de ngozhe ke majeche. Da di chuzo na ma ju. Ana gali ji karshe ji chuzo ge ji karbe di gejum yapji an de ji ngazu chuzo da gozu chuzo ngazu chugyu da gozu chugyu da sar de 다간다 제거에 어저들 장바된 일이도 잠도도 좀 마시에 거네 지 장신기 지 초래지아도 신 근데 주야 위기만 성도 다 조데 간다야 다 최소들이야 슈베 지 거대로부터 다 소소 가서 최념의 자로 이민주산에 디 최념의 자들 이거 니마 당보 코라네 아주 야부지방 모르세 교란대 쇼가 좀 센데 이르르스 다 가다라 뒤다보 균노당 어디 제과에 계속 이스라엘 어디선 다다做的 어디 전에 다 간다 코란 심규디 코란게 어디 제바데 심규리한 잡으셔 간다지 샘띵니 간다 코란 미사부 체하로지 되게 제가 수지 배수 제과에 계속 치료
So another aspect is that when we go to Dharma centers, when people come to the Dharma centers, maybe, we're not stressing the basics. Maybe we're not stressing the real foundations of the practice enough. And so, really, when someone comes to a Buddhist Dharma center, we need to introduce them to what the basis of the Dharma is. So they need to understand the basics and the foundation of and the aims of their practice. But we don't give them that introduction to what it is. We bring them into the Dharma center and then we say, okay, this is our Dharma center, this is our Dharma center, that's their Dharma center, this is our lineage, that's their lineage. And so we don't teach them about loving kindness, compassion, and refuge. And instead we teach them about holding sides or taking sides. And so that is not good. So in any case, the whole point of having a Dharma center is to practice the Dharma. And so that from the first day that someone comes to a Dharma center, we need to say, okay, this is the reasons why you come to Dharma centers. This is why you practice the Dharma. And if we give that introduction to them at the beginning, then we tell them how to practice the Dharma, give them the introduction so that they can bring it into their own selves and bring it into taming their own being. And so in this way we need to introduce them to how it's important to become a good person through working with their mind. Instructions on meditation say that we should keep our gaze stable in front of us. I have been meditating for a long time with my eyes closed. When I meditate with them open, I can't sit for a long time and can't keep my mind calm. What should I do?
Gom ki mangbu nangto, gom jabe kapsu mekte dunji namkala tene, shago ya tene sondus. Yinaya ngarangi gom jabe kapsu mek chomne, tene yuringburin gom, lomangburin gom jabiyos. Tene da karche go inas. Ina mek dane gom jabe ina, tene yuringbu sem ne to mentos, sem ne al kalikapado, tesondo karche go inas.
민두기 다 가서 민두기 난거를 제대로 짜 인기 말아 지 민두기 난걸 다 민다다만 보여라스 사진 전부터 저거 준비 나올래 민다다만 보시다 도와 참참 지 반항 걸려야 남래야 따고야 다한테 따들이야 계속 망보송요 다이나 지용차는 신의 건배가 미기 가르쳐 나지테게 반나나 따사야 지기 어봐 나지테게 반나나 안 다나시야 너의 도카시에 나로리아 다베 가르사 예수 따와도 유연도 따와야 마이면 뒤에 따와야 마이면 다 간다르지 밑에서 르르첸 하장급에 반나나 제네 따고 이게 말았어 밑에 드네주스 다 간다 르르첸 베베데 미 방법 좀 되면은 야디 지 중화용화다 되게 내가 열었어 봐. 이 공기 발전 좀 그랬어. Today, do Sane Hajan Zoom Chabaya Mayimba, Hajan Dan Chabaya Mayimba. Takanda Comna, Pajimik Dana, Devoya, but in Jakashi Sundu is there. Combat Temna. Combat Matena and Taji Junse Castle, make the map hug. Bayam, Zumbayam, Hajan Dawam, the Dedici, go out of the Sundua. That you may make that on Yabas case, some daddy Mangata de Lama Tambe Chunto. Condition over Madon, yes, what the dedicated material matters.
Well, sometimes it is said that you need to look in the space in front of you, but actually there are many different types of ways that you are taught to look. There are many different instructions that tell different ways to look with your eyes during meditation. In the instructions on Mahamudra and the instructions on Dzogchen, there are many different gazes that are spoke about. Sometimes it's said you need to gaze in the sky or in many different ways. When we're meditating on the shamatha meditation, however, often it's said that we should just look at the space, look into the space in front of our noses. And in many sutras, it is said that you should not look to the right, you should not look to the left, you should just let your eyes relax. So you don't stare with your eyes, but you should let your eyes be loose and relaxed. So if you meditate with your eyes closed, then there's the danger, especially for beginners, that you'll get really lethargic and really your meditation will have a lot of torpor. And so there's the danger that this will become an obstacle in your meditation. And so for that reason, you should not close your eyes too much. You should not but on the other hand, you should not open your eyes too wide either. So when you get used to it, if you meditate with your eyes open, then it's more comfortable. So it's more comfortable when you're used to it, but when you're not used to it, then maybe it's better not to close your eyes, but not to have them open too wide either. So there's no definite answer for this. So what is important is you should probably go and ask a Lama who has all of the instructions. It's not something that you should ask me. The next question is, how do we practice together deity yoga and looking at the mind, both during a session of meditation and afterwards?
Nyamshadan jitop nigekin nekam changmalya but la gomya tang sempre nelo tai nyam to kantas chekoinas.
That's what the Saurus on Jodo. Yet that the Miss Amuchak in Bezur Jachin, Konazu Chagis Chimbo Bajita, Satombole Besasha. That is Yabush Rashing Minduda, Chitangi Tigun Tungi, Tipan High Nature Gomadizo. The Aranzu Sheru de Shegi Pumodi, high number of combatants. Sheru Pumodi. That day also Tinji gave a she high number of shop. Tatia Sangala make his Russian that Desinji gave a she high number of child. The need to stand and charging a Chaggy Chamboda. Zoba Chamboda, Uma Chambola Sabata, the Degiti, Tawe, Unsum to Madonna, Tawe Koa, Koa, understanding the that the Desi Tawe Koa, Chictona, Nelea, Chicasway, the Tungi number, the Chagachim beauty. Tapen Chagachim with the watching with his Limina, Mr. Tasway, Jane Comad is so maybe 조금 되다 소위 민주산에 랑게 셈게 정신 엔텔라 좀 마주해 봐냐 브샤니 다디 셈게 러시 다 외사와데 가수다 가수에 외세의 이시지 낭내고 응원도 교야로 되지 배수샤로 왔다 다 근데 응원도 교에 배수를 챘는데 근데 된데다 외세의 이시디 땅오 또 이시에 임발하지 넘버 하이 넘버 차대와 다 제게 삼당고요 아래 근데 이산에 달로지게 된 이산 저 영만다 다 지용 차는 제비 있는 다 간다라 이시 따랑망선에다도 이시 랑기 심이기 다 메탐지 가수지 탐지기 한다 레셀린지게 베이시 탐제를 요래 이제 제르비다 레셀린지게 베이시데 다담을 숨도 제도 말데 다 이비네 거를 매발람제로 챘다 다 데르비데 레셀린지게 베이시데 다 들지 모두 제바 인사바로 붙이다 데르비데 레셀린지게 베이시데는 하이 넘버로 모두 교수님 말다 근데지 고아르지 랭고면 단 너나 다 도도디 다 사목동번이다 엔다 자체와 뒤중선한다도 니 고아디 냠도 요거야 되게 좀 있어 지 고아는디 와 동보 초지고서 두산 가메 지메 장메로 지메 봐 아야 나와 초지고 아다 가서지 탐제了 양고 지点点 주주로 아티스요 뭐 많이 봐 다 낭신도 동신도 나 다들 고아르지는 또 버지지 지 이동불라지다 아니지 지가사 되더디 마인드풀니스 다 되디 증념도 지 용통면로 다 마실 가시야 디주 좋아 디주에 알레 좋아 내야래 메샤 내 되더디 다 미상보를 차도면 계절지 대마다 중에 신다다 그래서 더버듯이 시에 도움이 돌아 아디 예주의 있어만해
These are really profound questions. And I'm supposed to be talking about being a good person here, and I'm getting these profound questions about Mahamudra and stuff. I'm not sure I can answer these. I don't know if I know the answer to them very well. But generally, when we're talking about meditating on ourselves in the form of the deity, it's not we don't meditate upon our physical body of flesh and blood as being the deity. That's not how we meditate. It's not meditating upon the physical body as being the deity. Rather, it's saying that our own innate wisdom appears in the form of the deity. And so, in the terms of the unexcelled Yoga Tantra, the highest secret mantra, there we talk about the wisdom of great bliss that appears in the form of the deity. And so in the instructions, when we talk about Mahamudra or we talk about Dzogchen or we talk about the great middle way, this is all a way to sort of make that evident, to reveal that deity. And so this is something that we need to understand the view of how it is. So it's really it's an empty... And so first we need to understand how this form is, what the emptiness is, and how the form appears. And so when we meditate upon Mahamudra, or we meditate upon Dzogchen, this is not something where we're doing analytic meditation. Primarily, we are just doing resting meditation, where we practice by resting without altering the mind in any way. And so we do the practice as a way to allow the wisdom of the luminosity that is present within us. We do it in order to try to reveal that, to make that manifest and visible. And so when we meditate on ourselves as the deity, then the essence is the luminous wisdom, but the aspect, the form of this is the deity. And so generally it is the wisdom that is taking the form of the deity. It's the essence of our mind that arises as the innate luminous wisdom that we have. And so this wisdom is not manifest now, but what we do is we take imagination as the path, and we think, I have this luminous innate wisdom, and that it's appearing in the form of the deity. And so that is what we need to understand. And so generally, what we need to, the main point is that there is the profound emptiness, and then there is all the vast way that things appears. But when we think about emptiness, emptiness is not just nothingness. It's not blankness, inanimate nothingness, nothing at all. But at the same time, there are all the appearances, but the appearances are not, if we think that appearances are all things that are truly there, that are really there and solid things, that's not how it is either. Rather, it's that while things appear, they're empty. While they empty, they appear. And so that is how we need to understand it. And so this way we need to meditate upon the deity and practice mindfulness, meditate on the deity. And so generally here, actually I'm supposed to be talking about how to become a good person and things like talking about profound things like this. This isn't really something that's within my scope or my sphere that I can talk about.
Keep going. Maybe 2 questions.
We have another profound question, which is, what does His Holiness explain more about the empty aspect and the clear aspect of mind?
Clear aspect? Okay.
양자 조사부지라. 샘기 동자당 살천이디 간리메 레시도스 나오노.
The mind.
No.
Aha. 다 넘버这些那么多卡些。他这里啊。弟弟接的了，这些提高了现象这么重，念的新大学。
He will, His Holiness will answer this as he gives his teachings later. So the next question is a question about during the Qing dynasty, Emperor Kangxi was good to the people and protected them, but he also raised armies and fought wars where many people died. If he were to want to attain Buddhahood, would it be necessary for him or such a person as him to purify his karma in the same way as Milarepa?
Sure.
Qing dynasty, Qing Jarab, kapsu Jebo Kangxi singijos. Kongi jidang mang misali ya song job dang. Chamjong jidang ya wishida naoris. Yina yang kongi ma mangbo, kongi Jarab ji kapsu ma yang mangbo jamdo. Tene ma jebe kapsu mi yang mangbo shindo. Te song zang penna jabo kong dao cheki. Tene sangji ji kompang drop gona. Tene thomar Kurangi tachi dikbatan su sa dikba sabat nu pa jangyage tabla bezu melaraba na shinche gorbes.
Tayang ji gerab ru ju sim ju cha go da. Qing ge goma Kangxi ge ya. 这当国 친계로 그나네 지 개보 가수에 개베 나는다 간다 개보 년라제는 거지 차리 요래 이제 다 개보 인도산에 뭐 다들 지금 마르드데 물어봐다 그런 실습 간다야 쿠란 가서지 나추냠네체 라바도 별 남아 상계베 추냠네체 라바도 겐덴베 에 추에도 냠네체 아니 바지 왕도 슈류산에 바지 디인베 당에 노르면은 왕도 슈류산에 지당 쿠란 고마 개보 인도산에 아니 왕 슈류산 아주 미패받는 신체네 지 라메 총리야지 댐마베 토리야 대야당 다나시 지 고래야지 라메 지 고래 pombajaala sobote 지단데 고 디코라 개베 룩스르데 드고 말바 이나 코랑기 댐마베 토라 대 대한 부모존에 대 다나시 지 라말레야지 그바체바 제단도 상물로 미패방 안 소리 하버를 제베 루규를 도 세상 고랑기 지 최소한도네 지 냠네 야 다나시 지 냠네 체네 라메 마송샤버디스 고랑이 냠네 체네 고랑이 냠뇽 디 총스데 야 또버퓨 다 진짜 기세안도 진짜 인두산다 가르지나 나 매상으로 지 간사 소수기 로예 좀바당 왕베 좀바 미자 인두산에 미 강가로 밀려버는시 ene ji kusetinile ji misetinile kusetinile ta de ji kaso kawa chegwa ngebaske yuma mi saun de ngebaske yama anda de ngebaske yama ta tile cha zu zum de jwa di wo dwa ji de len ki
Well, here I have to we have to think about the dynastic history, and during the Qing dynasty, King Kangxi was one of the greatest and one of the most famous kings during the time of the Qing dynasty. And so he was a king, so of course he had to occasionally wage war and so forth. But in terms of his Buddhist practice, he practiced Buddhism, he had lamas from Tibet, he practiced Tibetan Buddhism, and he especially had Gelugpa lamas. And it's said that when he would take empowerments and so forth, then he didn't do this like a king, he didn't act like a king, but instead he acted like a normal person. He sat on low seats. He had the vase placed on the top of his head and so forth. So he didn't sit in a high place like a king. He acted as an ordinary person. He knelt and so forth. In fact, he even acted more as an ordinary person than most ordinary people do. So generally, when he was practicing the Dharma, he practiced the Dharma, and then he spoke with his Lama about his experiences and offered his experience and realization. So there's discussion about this in the histories. But generally, when we think about practicing Dharma, then this has to go with it has to fit with the level of the individual's mind and the level of their faculties. It's not everyone can be like Milarepa and go like Milarepa and go through such difficulties and hardships in order to attain Buddhahood in this lifetime. It's not definite that one has to do that.
The last question.
The last question is, His Holiness had said that to do Guru Yoga with the Lama in his Nirmanakaya form brings blessings more quickly. Would this or Yidam practice be faster in eliminating samsara?
Kaze. Nye ji labjir mase.
Nyama yishni kanayan ya. Lamen nanjor nyamnen chebe kapso. Lama te tuku ki namba Sanji Tugu Nambala Gomna, Jinlap Kitchenka Nurgris. Tindiska nonsense. Tison John Digi Yamnian Tenda Batedang, Yidam Yamnian Nidi, Tene Korwa Tonya la Karasabimus.
다 아중에 되는 시험자 정문다. 거와 동아라 아니 고 냠네 지시게 등진 인고라 겸나 거와 동아를 때 사와 인세. 지 라면은 저 세난다도 마다나 시지 이담질라에 내줄 세난다도 성물로 녀모 지 녀모 왜냐면 안다 디나는 게 아니지 녀모가 디모 안 디나는 소지 가서 제라바 베너지 등진기 녀모를 안다 근데 충분히나 안 고아 동안 대사바로 거에 자와 등진으로 대고 매서 토나 안 텔레 서비스 빠지 유서 말에 다 도나 지 최 녀모 왜냐면 들어가야 돼 계속 있어 근데 그 니만은 가서 정규민도야 아디 지주자 정면도 다 근데 맞지는 어다 라마 추고 롱고 뚜고 다양 꾸퇴바 지서야 샤네 다 꾸퇴바 가서 하다 그래서 많이 기고 무기고 다디 가르쳐야 샤네 다 간다 뚜고 먹어도 뚜베 뚜구이네 다 펜도스 김도가 뚜베 영주를 지네 다들이 주 산도 조디 녀모베 냠보는 들어가야 계속 있어요.
I don't think I said that. I'm not sure that I ever said that. And generally,
I can't remember.
Oh, I can't remember.
Say that.
I can't remember saying that. Generally, when we talk about emptying samsara, then whatever practicing we're doing, we have to take that practice and we have to hit the self-clinging over the head with that practice. So whether it's a guru yoga practice or whether it is a deity practice, it has to work as the antidote for the afflictions. And especially for the antidote must act as the antidote for the affliction of delusion or ignorance, and especially as the antidote for clinging to self. Because if we want to empty, when we're talking about eliminating samsara or emptying samsara, then the root of samsara is clinging to a self, and so we need to eliminate that. And so that is what we need to do with all of the practice that we do. So all of our practice needs to be an antidote for the afflictions, and that is what we need to meditate. So whatever form of the deity or the lama, whatever form kaya of the deity, we have to practice them. Our practice of it all has to be something that goes as the antidote for the afflictions.
단도나 디기 세규데 치르기 숭자바 자년바 지치심바 나 담지 나 초와 심바서마를 초와 대화 때에 깬사마도베 원에 전에다 디기 오마 대처요 아마나스 다 디기 오마링에 가서 쉬베난신 라소스 귤라 다 콤지스예베 개엄 상베 유엔데 데다 디기 오마 대처요
When we talk about happiness, happiness is not something that comes necessarily from beautiful things, forms that we see, or from nice sounds that we hear or a nice sense that we smell or something. All of these are just conditions that can help bring about a sensation of pleasure, but that's not actual happiness. Actual happiness is when we have in our own individual beings, we familiarize ourselves with virtue or with our good qualities. That is what is actual happiness.
대가는 시 동해서와 대한 에너지 치료기 뭐 이도 명화 밀레 민제바 나와레 민년바 이레 민조와 다 되게 동해 원에 좀 많이 봤다 동해에 조데 아주 지 심규리 예대베지 심 추바다 심 미디어와 생기 녀몽바다 아니 더 미기와도 차디
Similarly, when we think about suffering, then suffering is not something outside of ourselves. It's not the unpleasant things that we see or hear. It's not the things that are unpleasant in our mind or that we don't like. That is not really what suffering is. What suffering really is, it's the afflictions that make ourselves that give us difficulties in our mind, that make our minds disturbed and make our minds unpleasant, unhappy. So it really is the unvirtues.
근데 미지 디기를 되면 제거나 아주 된 아주 배수 제거하다 가라서나 심규래야 개회 사변 개버체 개회 사변도 다 야기에 당하네 권의 공매도 배워체 된지지래샤 안 다나 신지 가서 드린주사 안 대란 잡지 다 대래 가수다 대 다나 신지 미개와 지금 미팅비초 동해기 다 동해기 규선한다고 다 동해 자와도 녀무보다 되게 상관없지 맞아요 지금 고뇌버체 융지체과의 개심을 다 대량의 배수연을 주셔야 배수연치 딱 아주 뒤
And so in that way, we need to have happiness in our lives. And so in order to bring ourselves happiness, what we need to try to do is we need to try to take the seeds of the virtues and the good things that we have within ourselves, and we need to try to increase them. We need to try to let them grow and increase. And at the same time as we do that, there are the unvirtuous things in our mind, the unwholesome things, the causes of our suffering. The causes of suffering, or the root of suffering, are the afflictions, and we need to try to decrease those and make them less. And so along with that, I have an example of this.
Bena 보스도 자긴 히로네스도 bena movie star dan ji xie dang ge gira chimbo dang da de movie star ko zu ka dyu yong ne ani mi mang bo ji ge temo da ni ko yong go ba mi mang bo temo da be chue do ani ko nyam chen de yong go ba de ne ju sa ne ani ke zi kyorang ga dang gwa che bi na de kyorang choice che bi na kyorang di hero de chang de ye yana 히로디 레윤두사나 테모 단계기 미첸다 테모 단계의 창조이었어.
Like for example, here you have movie stars and you have heroes and movie stars, and here in India when a movie star comes into the room, everyone starts clapping and applauding, and the movie star struts into the room like this. And so here, if you had a choice, would you actually want to be a movie star?
No. Yeah? negative. You want to be the movie star or...
Oh, so would you like to be the movie star, or do you want to be the person who is applauding, the people who are applauding?
Something like this, yeah. 다 예배 때 간절히 잘 어울리노. 자, 미망 movie star. 직전에도 미망고지. 아주 미망고지기 3년 나로래. 그러지. 소소 보부차. 소소 민족으로 차. 배는 추부차. 야나지 가르쳐야지. 민년자제 차. 딱 안다래. 민단데는 민자로 차야지. 내봐요. 민단데는 미망고 동자만 변하네. 소소리야 미상매지. 미상매지 소소를 따대야. 치다. 소소를 더 나요. 근데 차야지. 아주 상물로 되죠 봐. 아주 디지스도 산지 가다지 스타버지. 닝바 좀 고메체. 닝바에서 뱀에도 다 스타버지. 닝제보 직보지 종나. 다 들리지 종나 에너지 이쯤 모르지. 다 디지털에 전화로 소소이네지. 다지 소소 여바데 다 정도와 소소로 따지 연구로 봐. 대인들 미망보지 전화를이야. 디지 사야데 파지지 가르쳐에 닝바데서 고마지 소소를 다다 줘야 돼와. 엄마 줘야 돼서 고메치 없이. 답변은 지 사상으로 지미나. 어다지 소소 산다로 줘빈디. 엄마 닝바데 다다 줘야 더 처음인 데서다. 답에 저 추보진가 저 가면 다 되네지 싸버지 주나. 에너지기 디카르저기 exciting 로지 이게 답에 저 모라로 지미다 닝바. 토인 닝바로 되서 처음에 스타버. 나사지 텔레야 안베 자기에 먹고 해야 되는 게 주나. 나사지 exciting 로지. 아주 배배다 저 악사는 로지 지금 용어로 받아. 나 디소로 지금 물어봐. 세상 아주 삼액이 디지사데 우마 여바다 다다 여바데서 개폐마다 지 망원발에 사버를 지 드네지 통나 성사지 나 드네지 전에 아주 디지털 되어야です.
So many people think that, if you get to be some big person, some hero, some movie star, someone rich and famous and so forth, they think they want to become someone who stands out from the crowd, someone who is different from everyone else, someone who everyone looks for. They think that happiness is something we need to get, something new that we need to get. They think that they don't want the old, they don't need the old, but instead we need something new. So we think of the new things as being something nice, something that we want to get. We think that in order to satisfy ourselves, we need to get something new. Oh, I'm going to bring myself happiness. We think I need something new for ourselves. And so generally, we think that's what we need. That's the feeling that we have. And so we think that happiness is, we don't need the old stuff. We don't need what we have. It's like if you're married and then you're with a partner for a long time and then it gets difficult and you start having a lot of fights and think, maybe if I had a new partner it would be more exciting or something. We think, and this is just how we think about it. Or we think about cars, and we think about the old car that we have, and we think, wouldn't it be nice to have a new car with lots of new bells and whistles and things. And so we have this feeling like we need that something new. We have this feeling that the happiness, it's not the old things that's going to bring us happiness. We feel like we need to get something new in order to be happiness. And so that is what we do to try to bring ourselves happiness.
Teni yusanen tedang yepe liya de bena hero nuji da gandar movie star so khasa da nge chobo movie star de so porn ro ming da de so je mo ga je da gandar hero ji ma tyen yusanen ko tyen yusanen ko samba jibu ye da jibu me ti zum res ko nyam da je tyen da tyen go res ine ya da tyujun ji famous this me nyara chamba this ka du ne ko ma che samba ki bushram do wa ana ma de ta ine labo dab de ge shibuji ga de ro ta ko ji ten de sana be ke ge shu ge ta labo jab shibuji ga zor shibuji quran present quran de present yoba quran ki be chimni ta ba ji ge do che ri do che ta ba kan ne ta ga da ji judo me be so ro ji ngro 드레이 두산에 아주지 가르쳐에다 드레이 두산에 다지 않고 민영에 이로드 마트에 고란도 민 가르쳐야 돼. 니라 전부 민 전부 지도 요아르디. 이민에 고된데 요마라 고기부여다 기부여메 된데 요마. 드레이 두산 당 오늘 전에 기부사도 술을 요아르잖아. 다들 아버지 답된 게 수요르. 아 고수지 가대요. 드레이 두산에 다가나시 아주 상물로 디기사 대신 기버사야 돼 가능지잖아. 다 present 섬으로. 다다 여야 돼 버틸이야. 아주 take delight 섬으로 다지. 좋아야 뭐냐. 섬으로 띵 섬으로 봤당. 안 다나신 지 가수에 디토네 지 다대기 가수에 다들이야 쓰기도 돼. 다대기 지만 디 대화냠 수용과야 돼. 버지 계속 있어. 너나 고란지 다다 강여버디 이스머르지 않네. 다다 강여버디 이스머. 다디 삼동당하는 시제야. 가시엘다 가시 쟁그러 봐. 또 이스머 제가 가는 알다 강강해 봐디. 이스머 제가 가려 알아서 알죠 봐. 다 이미는데 이스머 제가 사야도 유명하게 계셔만 봐. 아니지 소소기 유명해 사야도 좋으면 봐. 다 이미 사르지 개체면으로 다 간다. 조디 소수 디기던데 가사질이야 소수 통다마 통. 근데 장부지야 매den게지냐고 기부지 고란주 기부체제 고란 대학 특시를 지도와. 아니 축부 빼매지 로주 전부 예비는데所以다 간 심대 전부 시즌 로대야 정요. 근데 이 산다 유명해서 가면 얘 가사 쉬는 신 nga zui ni ma ji liao wu dong chang meng bu chi chang meng bu dang di ya de yin ko de wu da de ge de sam wu re re ne rin dang chen bu za chen bu xia de tian de wu ge chang mo re re me bi na nga zu so ro ya de sun bu ne tu ma de yin de wu chang mo re re ya ha zang ge rin dang chen bu ngu zhe nie bi ne niao du ya ge ba ha bu da ma shi ding san chang mo lo niao gu do luo ne niao gu do chu ne niao gu do jie ma wu de niao gu oxygen. 다 간다 되체네 진단 좀 경가네. 이내 아주 진단 좀 이렇게 시험마다 고 인샤샤를 주고 오단샤샤 도샤샤. 다 계신 아주 삼로 야보 단지 다 되고 우 참모 우 동아 기증만들이야 삼로 야보 단 뒤진 타라고 단 띵원서 첨부 그 이미지 삼로 대외 로드 진양비나. 지금 대코나지 가수에 대화 첨부를 보지. 차대학 좋아요, 알아. 차 좋아요. 근데 뉴스안에 I'm finished. Actually, I want to say something.
And so when you have like a movie star who comes out, and the movie star comes out, I actually have to be careful here because, you know, some of the movie stars I know might be listening. But when the movie star comes out and they come out and everyone starts applauding for them, the question is, are they really happy? Is their mind happy or not? Of course they have to go out, but the question is whether they really are happy. Maybe they're not so happy, actually. But for those folks who are out there clapping for them and applauding them, cheering and making all the noise, they're really happy. They're having a good time. They're enjoying themselves a lot. So they're having this great feeling, this inexpressible feeling of fun and happiness as they do this. But for the big people, it's, you know, for the heroes, it's not so definite, that not necessarily so that they're so happy. And so what is happiness? Who is the person who's really happy? It's definitely the people who are applauding and cheering. They're the ones who are happy at that point. So what is it? What is the happiness? How do we bring ourselves happiness? Well, happiness is really, it's what we have right now. It's thinking deeply about the things, what we are really right now. And so when we think about the experiences, it's important to think about the experiences that we are having right now. And so if we think about happiness, it's a question, it's not often a question of not so much what we have or what we don't have. Really, thinking about happiness, it's more a question of what we are or what we are not. Like with happiness, sometimes there are really poor people who are extremely happy. They know what to do to bring themselves happiness. Whereas there are rich people who have big worries and very great difficulties. And so it's not so much a question of what you have or do not have, as I said yesterday. It's like I was saying that each single breath we take, every day we take hundreds or thousands of breaths, and each of these breaths is incredibly precious, is incredibly valuable to us. If we were not able to breathe, then we would not be able to live. And so each short breath that we take is incredibly precious. It's incredibly valuable. It's something that you could not put a price tag on. Actually, these days, we have to pay for everything. You have to pay for electricity. You have to pay for food. You have to pay for everything else. Eventually, they're going to find a way about how to charge us so that we can breathe as well. But right now, if we think about it, each breath that we take, every instant that we have breath, this is such a beautiful, amazing thing that we're able to take the breath. And thinking about that is the happiness that we have. That's where we can hope for the big happiness.
다들 주산에 다들 이직직대 가서 따와는 직직사도 가서 그 남자의 동생의 쉬쉬서 그 남자 동생之前呢 가서 접지 정을 치려야 이 제레스 공화区是吧 다들 내지 저거래스 들을 좀 내지 저거래스 아예 안지 선이지 완전 버지 굴고 있어요. 드린 주산에 다스 드린게 사르셔 봐. 다 드린도 사르셔는 선이 제레스 완주 제레스 완베드스 와르다 드드 와르는 맞지 유쇼. 다 간다 제레스 완시 노드르지 제 안디 가려야 지잖아. 지금 그 남자 동자를 시한도도 줄때 다 간다야
out and everyone starts applauding for them. The question is, are they really happy? Is their mind happy or not? Of course they have to go out, but the question is whether they really are happy. Maybe they're not so happy, actually. But for those folks who are out there clapping for them and applauding and cheering and making all the noise, they're really happy. They're having a good time. They're enjoying themselves a lot. So they're having this great feeling, this inexpressible feeling of fun and happiness as they do this. But for the big people, it's for the heroes, it's not so definite, that not necessarily so that they're so happy. And so, what is happiness? Who is the person who's really happy? It's definitely the people who are applauding and cheering. They're the ones who are happy at that point. So, what is it? What is the happiness? How do we bring ourselves happiness? Well, happiness is really, it's what we have right now. It's thinking deeply about the things, what we are really right now. And so when we think about the experiences, it's important to think about the experiences that we are having right now. And so if we think about happiness, it's a question, it's not often a question of not so much what we have or what we don't have. Really, thinking about happiness, it's more a question of what we are or what we are not. Like with happiness, sometimes there are really poor people who are extremely happy. They know what to do to bring themselves happiness. Whereas there are rich people who have big worries and very great difficulties. And so it's not so much a question of what you have or do not have, as I said yesterday. It's like I was saying that each single breath we take, every day we take hundreds or thousands of breaths, and each of these breaths is incredibly precious, is incredibly valuable to us. If we were not able to breathe, then we would not be able to live. And so each short breath that we take is incredibly precious, it's incredibly valuable. It's something that you could not put a price tag on. Actually, these days, we have to pay for everything. You have to pay for electricity, you have to pay for food, you have to pay for everything else. Eventually, they're going to find a way about how to charge us so that we can breathe.
네, 타로 동해 가서 대화 오늘도 제가 저 동해 방아 특수 만으로와 송세게 내 자신들이 돌려 아주지 미상고 차다 다 디기를 되면 차단 거 거기 계속 준비해야 충분히 나란다 미상고 이내 미네 디기를 되면 이내 미네 계속해야 충분히 가오총 드린 주산에 상물로야 다른데 두주다나 상물인데 네 계속이 명가표데 상물로 토세나 쉬어요.
So we have had the chance to talk about being a good person and how to become happy through being a good person. We've spoken about this, and whether or not I'm a good person is one question. I'm not someone who's so happy, but to be able to come here, to this place of Varanasi, the place where the Buddha taught his students the path on how to free themselves from suffering, how to manifest their happiness and bring out their happiness, and taught them the unmistaken method to do this. And to speak about this here is a very good thing. So aside from whether or not I'm a good person, I'm very happy to have had this opportunity to speak about this. And so I'd like to thank all of you who are listening for coming here today.
이제 땅에를 같이 쉬어야 가라서나 땅에게 디기 꼴이야 가지고 지금 돌린 채바다 디기 꼴이야 땀시에 채바 땀시 디기 용토도 말이지 디기 용토 말이지 이내야 아니 땅 안 상로 냠도 된좀 아니 디기 꼴이야 계셔야 돼 이게 지당게 디 가수에 introduction of Jamaimba. So the Kiranzu Samegi, the Digilia, the Simguruya, and Anaji, Zawaya, Treasures, the name is Sane. Tangi gets it, sometimes get a choy about the Zamza Chomia, the Imbinia gets it at Nyamdo and Zawada Simgurian, Nyamdo Kiranzu, Puya, the Joyers. The name is Sane. Teletene and Kiransu, that Mizinangi, Digi, Kone Combeduada, and the Deshin Gibe, Manomshui.
And so my biggest hope coming here and spending a few days talking about happiness and so forth, is that not that we've talked about this, we've talked a lot about happiness, and just talking about happiness isn't going to bring happiness, but we've all gathered here together, and in speaking about this, I feel like it's not necessarily just making an introduction, but it's for you all to be happy, to show my caring and my affection for all of you. And so I feel like gathering here has been a way for us to make connections with each other and to develop a bond of love and affection. And so I hope that through this all of you gain happiness and that your happiness grows stronger and flourishes.
Thank you. Thank you both. 야, go. 엄마는 되시. 다 지니스 나도 성인 되나 저 가리에 가르쳐줘. 아니야. Sanjo